As the number of coronavirus cases rises here in North Alabama, local leaders are asking for people to take quarantine protocols seriously. We have team coverage following the coronavirus impact on North Alabama. We begin with Way 31's Sydney Martin. She is live in Huntsville after learning about the consequences of not following the safety guidelines. Sydney.
Crestwood Hospital CEO Dr. Pam Hudson told me she's worried if people go out into the community while they're waiting for their coronavirus test results, they'll be spreading the virus. She's asking for anyone who's supposed to be in quarantine to stay home.
And that is why you hear us like a broken record. If you're tested, assume you're positive and stay separate, stay isolated. Treat yourself as if you are positive.
Dr. Pam Hudson, Crestwood Hospital CEO, told me Wednesday she's heard stories about many people who've been tested and didn't quarantine while they waited for their results. Madison Mayor Paul Finley told me he's heard the same stories.
My first instinct is, come on, why are you out? But my realization in talking to folks is because in many instances, they don't feel bad. They're asymptomatic. I'll stay until I really feel sick. Well, that's not what you should do.
Hudson explained if you don't quarantine while sick with the virus, you could infect others.
If you are, you're going to be infecting, at the minimum number I've seen is 10 other people. And that's not fair to the other people.
Finley, who's been watching the numbers for months and said he's ready for coronavirus to be over, wants everyone to take the quarantine process in place seriously.
The more we can work to keep those who have tested positive separate, the more quickly we're going to get through this.
And Hudson said if people don't start complying, the virus won't be gone anytime soon.
We can expect to see some non-compliance, but it's that non-compliance that keeps the virus happy and jumping from person to person in our community.
Now, Hudson also reiterated the Alabama Department of Public Health, along with CDC guidelines that say on top of quarantining for 14 days, you cannot go back out into the public until you've been fever-free for 3 days after that quarantine period. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, Way 31 News.